Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Windows 11 how to remove chat from Taskbar. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well because it's very simple and easy. Now in order to remove chat from Taskbar, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your settings by simply tapping on the Windows icon and on the search bar typing settings, or you can just simply press Windows plus I and the settings tab will be open to you, or you can also just simply right click on the taskbar and you find the option that says taskbar settings. Now once you're inside the taskbar settings, what you need to do is under the taskbar items, here what you need to do is find the chat option. And once you find the chat option, all you gotta do is toggle it off, and then that's basically what you can do. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.